yourself in a state of complete relaxation. Visualize yourself in a state where there is no tension at all in the body, where the mind is not wandering and the mind is not thinking about any thoughts. Visualize yourself in a state of perfection. As you breathe in, visualize the life force from the air coming into your body, coming into areas of your body where you may have discomfort, where you may have pain, where you may have a known illness. Visualize the life force converging into that area of your body. And as you exhale, visualize that pain, that discomfort, that ailment gradually easing itself out of your body. And letting go of all physical and mental ailments that may be affecting the mind and the body matrix. Of yourself in a state of perfect health, create an image of yourself where you have mastered all of the tasks, all of the challenges that you have set for yourself. Create an image of yourself where you have achieved all the goals and all the objectives that you have placed in front of yourself. lift your head up so that your chin goes towards your chest. And then elevate your hands above your thighs. Put your chin up to your chest and lift yourself up as you breathe in. So rise up as you inhale. Let your hands down to the knees. Then breathe slow and deep to your nostrils. Let your abdomen expand as you breathe in and contract as you breathe out. Then breathe in and out slowly through your nostrils. Allow your blood circulation the time needed to adjust to the sitting up position. Okay, very good. Now, what I'm going to have you do is to bring your legs together as close as you can and flex your feet towards you. So when I say flex your feet, I want you to contract your thigh muscles. Bend your knees slightly, about 3 inches off the floor. But at the same time, keep your feet flexed. Put your hands in the back of your knees. Hold on firmly to the back of your knees, and I want you to rotate and sit up on your sit bones, your ischial tuberosities. And then you're going to take your hands like this. This is what we call Kemetic palms. The thumbs are in, all the fingers are together, the hand is stiff. And you put your arms out to the side, touching the floor with your fingertips. Now focus at your shoulders and rotate your arms from the shoulders so that your palms face the ceiling. And as you breathe in, keep your arms extended and lift. Breathing in, lifting. Breathing out and put your hands together. Palms together. As you breathe in, turn your arms forward. And as you exhale, reach forward and grab hold of your feet. Grab over the top of your feet. Grab your toes. And then put your head down. Put your chin down to your chest. And release all resistance from your upper back, from your neck and your shoulders. And then breathe. Inhale and expand your abdomen. Exhale, release your neck. Release your upper back, release your shoulders. And as you are breathing, let your abdomen expand. As you exhale, let your abdomen contract. And let go of all resistance from your body. And breathe in. Abdomen expanding as you breathe in. abdomen contracting as you breathe out. Inhale and rise up. Your arms should remain parallel with the floor, or parallel with your legs. Extend it out. Put your legs flat. Flex your feet towards you. Then put your hands down to your knees. And let your shoulders relax. Flexing your feet. Okay? And then keep breathing. Expand your abdomen with your inhalation. Contract with your exhalation. Okay? And then take your time. Inhale your arms up. No, I'm sorry. Place your hands underneath your knees and bend your knees slightly. And flex your feet towards you. So make sure you flex your feet all the way. And then extend your arms out to the side. Put your fingertips to the floor. Focus at the ball and socket joint of the shoulders and rotate the arms up so that your arms and your palms face the ceiling. And then when you breathe in, lift your arms. When you exhale, put your hands together. When you inhale, turn your arms forward. And when you exhale, reach forward and grab your feet. Put your head down, put your chin down to your chest. And extend as far as you can. And as you hold this position, breathe in and out slowly through your nostrils. So as you breathe in, let your abdomen expand. As you exhale, let your abdomen contract. Inhale. Slowly exhale. As you inhale, rise up. Put your legs flat, flex your feet. Hold your breath. Now slowly exhale your hands down to your knees. And let your shoulders relax. And take a breath. Inhale and exhale. And what you should notice is that after every movement, after each movement, your breathing should become deeper. Okay? Now we're going to repeat this one more time. Before we start, we always flex the feet towards you. This is what we're doing to lengthen the spine. We're lengthening all the muscles in the spine. Bend your knees, flex your feet. Let your arms come out to the side. Put your fingertips to the floor. Rotate from your shoulders so that your entire arm faces up towards the ceiling. Keep your elbow locked. Lift your arms up. Breathe in. Keep your head straight. Exhale. Put your hands together. Keep your feet together, Brother Dooley. Flex your feet. Inhale. Turn your arms forward. And as you exhale, reach forward. Reach for your feet. Good. Relax your neck. Relax your shoulders. And you want to feel your entire spine lengthen. This is opening up blood circulation throughout your entire body. Breathing in slowly. Breathing out slowly. Let your abdomen expand with your inhalation and contract with your exhalation. Let go of your feet. Inhale yourself up, arms, shoulders height. And then as you exhale, flex, put your legs flat, flex your feet, and let your hands come down to your knees. And release your shoulders. Okay, I'm going to turn the light back on. Get ready.
God have mercy.
Wow. breathe in and out slowly through your nostrils. Okay?